was dedicated on 12/12. 12 represents government. This hill is very strategic. Governmentally, this anointing that is on this hill to tear down strongholds. And I believe that what we are doing up here, even tonight, that we are shifting this nation. We are setting things in divine order. In the name of Yeshua, that we decree and declare breakthrough.